Isipin ang inyong sarili, naglalakad po kayo sa gitna ng isang kalye na napapaligiran ka ng mga sasakyan. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 30 seconds para makapaglakad dito sa gitna. Ang time is up. Ano ang naalala mo at unang napansin mo habang naglalakad po kayo ng 30 seconds sa gitna ng isang kalye? Try to remember. Siyempre, yes, mga napapaligiran po kayo ng mga sasakyan habang naglalakad ka. Subalit, ilang mga pulang sasakyan ang inyong nakita habang ikaw ay naglalakad? Try to remember kung ilang mga pulang sasakyan ang inyong nakita habang kayo ay naglalakad. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is mayroon pong 6 na red cars in total doon po sa ating unang picture. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Ang prinsipyo ng pulang kotse ay isa pong simpleng idea na naghihikayat sa atin na tumingin ng higit pa sa nakikita, tanungin ang status quo sa mundo ng trabaho at negosyo, at maghanap ng mga pagkakataon kung saan ang iba ay maaaring hindi man lang mag-abala na tumingin. Sa buhay, ang pulang sasakyan ay ang swerte at oportunidad na dumadaan sa buhay natin. Ang red car principle ay nagpapakita kung paano nahuhubog ng ating persepsyon at focus ang ating realidad. Ito ay isang paalala na ang mga swerte, oportunidad at mga pagkakataon ay umiiral sa lahat ng dako, ngunit ang ating kakayahang makita ang mga ito ay nakasalalay sa ating pag-iisip at pananaw. Sa madaling salita, ang swerte at oportunidad ay hindi inaasa na kusa lang itong dumarating sa buhay natin. Dahil ito po ay dapat nating sinasaliksik, hinahanap at pinag-aaralan ng mabuti upang makamit ang mas mataas na tagumpay sa negosyo. Alright? Good morning and welcome everyone once again to our OPX Social Network and Advertising Online Business Opportunity Presentation. Isa po itong privilege once again para sa akin na maging tagapagsalita at your host na magbabahagi po ng isang amazing, unique and interesting online advertising business golden opportunity for everyone. Ako po pala si Coach Jan Michael, isang public high school teacher by day as a profession, and crypto enthusiast naman ako after work hours as a crypto trader at the same time. Ako rin po ang Executive Vice President and the Project Coordinator of the company on PAL Express, and our presentation tonight or today is a comprehensive discussion of our OPX Social Advertising Network Systems and Programs. Welcome to OPX, the Social and Advertising Network Revolution, empowering users in the social media and online advertising landscape. So we highly recommend that everyone ask multiple questions right after the presentation.
In the vast world of digital and online advertising, one platform stands out: OnPal Express. This community-based advertising platform is changing the game, proving that the online advertising industry is not just lucrative, but rewarding. Imagine a space where each engagement doesn't just generate views or clicks, but tangible rewards. OnPal Express is that space. They empower users to reap the benefits of their online interactions, turning the virtual into the valuable. In an era where digital reigns supreme, this platform is a beacon for those looking to elevate their online presence. With OnPal Express, it's not just about being seen, it's about being rewarded. Online advertising is more than a booming industry. It's a golden opportunity. It's a chance for users like you to turn engagements into earnings, to transform clicks into cash. With OnPal Express, the future of advertising is here, and it's more lucrative than ever. So step into the world of OnPal Express, where your online engagement is not just appreciated, it's rewarded. This is digital advertising reimagined. This is OnPal Express.
Sa kabilang banda, kung sakaling magka-interest po tayo gawin at trabahuin ang mga OPX systems and programs, ay possible po natin na makamit ang potential income na 200,000 pesos or equivalent to $3,544 bawat 30 days, more or less. Please take note na ang disclaimer lang po na pwede po natin maabot at possible na hindi rin natin ito maabot na potential income. Depende po ito sa ating pakikilahok sa mga sistema at programa sa OPX company. So ito naman po ang ating official website ng OPX, www.onpalexpress.com. Ito po ang ating sariling gawa para sa ating mga community members. So just a heads up and for your information that the company OnPal Express is a full stack developer. Alright, so we create and develop our own systems and programs. Dagdag pa rito, bago po natin pag-usapan ang kitaan kay OPX advertising business, ay kilalanin naman po natin ang mga taong nagpapatakbo at nangangasiwa ng OnPal Express Company. So ang ating CEO, founder and president ng OnPal Express, si Sir Victor Baranda, ay isa pong professional at dalubhasa sa pagbuo ng mga digital na products and services. Kung kaya't ang ating pangunahing products ay digital at online na mga services sa advertising bilang ating pangunahing flagship na product at mga programang nauugnay po sa cryptocurrency. So we also have yours truly, of course, myself, Coach John Michael D, the Executive Vice President and the Project Coordinator of the company. Additionally, we also have Miss Chrissy Garcia as our Assistant Vice President. And then we also have Sir Mervin Perez, our Advertising Manager. And then additionally, we have Sir Ernesto Iquinia, our Senior Marketing Officer. And then our newest and one of the major update, dalawang bago na mga admin po natin. So we have Sir Harry Caderma as our Associate Vice President and Miss Catherine Sampaga, our Chief Financial Officer. So these are the newest and updated admin people that is running and operating the company OnPal Express. Now, ang OnPal Express Company ay naka-official pong registered bilang OnPal Express IT Solutions Incorporated at may lisensya itong gumawa ng digital at online na business sa buong mundo sa City of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan Province, Canada. From October 19, 2023 until October 17, 2024. Sa madaling salita, tayo po ay isang company naka-base sa Canada dahil ang ating CEO, founder at co-founders ay mula po sa country of Canada. In other words, ang OnPal Express ay isa pong digital at online solution provider and digital online problem solver that is based in Canada. In other words, international company po tayo, si OnPal Express. Hindi po natin kailangan ng mga SEC licenses or any business licenses here in the Philippines dahil wala po tayong physical offices dito sa Pilipinas. Right? So I hope that is clear when it comes to asking for business licenses or registration dito sa bansang Pilipinas. So hindi po natin kailangan ito dahil nasa Canada po tayo at saka international. Additionally, mahalaga po ang mga mentors dahil meron po silang mga proven and effective na business principles na nagpapayaman sa kanila. Maghanap po tayo ng taong tutulong sa atin na ma-guide tayo sa business nating papasukin para maiwasan ang mga malalaking maling decision making at hindi po tayo malugi sa pinasukan nating negosyo. So ang ating mentor tonight sa online ay si Robert Kiyosaki, who is a billionaire, capitalist, business magnate, and the author of the best-selling book entitled Rich Dad and Poor Dad. According to his expert and professional opinion, sabi niya, mayroong maraming iba't ibang mga paraan upang mamuhunan tayo sa ating oras at pera. Sa kaunting trabaho at tamang guro at mga mentors, lahat sa kanila ay pwede pong makagawa ng negosyo na ang pera na po ang magtatrabaho para sa atin. At hindi lahat ng mga ito ay nangangailangan ng isang malaki at mahabang oras. So in other words, si Robert Kiyosaki ay yumaman po dahil sa pagbili niya ng sobrang murang mga hard assets tulad ng gold at silver o mga precious metals. Ilang mga dekada na ang nakakaraan. Nagrekomenda din po siya na pagbili at pag-hold ng Bitcoin bilang asset, isang asset po sa digital currency at dahil tinuturing niya rin itong digital gold ang Bitcoin. Right? Gawin pa man, bago po natin pag-usapan kung ano-anong mga paraan nakikita tayo dito kay OPX Network, pag-usapan naman din po natin ang payment system ng company. So, ang cryptocurrency, ang ginagamit po natin na financial system sa negosyong ito. Ito po ay bago at ang hinaharap ng sistema ng pananalapi. Ito po ay lubos na ligtas, mabilis at mahusay kumpara po sa fiat currency o sa US dollar or sa Philippine peso, also known as paper money. Higit pa rito, ang OnPal Express ay mahigit pong pinapatupad ang mga transaksyon sa negosyo ng cryptocurrency lamang. Ang sistema ng pagbabayad po natin o kahit ano, pagbili, pagbayad o pag-claim ng ating mga earnings ay naka-cryptocurrency asset form po ito. Sa madaling salita, cryptocurrency in at cryptocurrency out na sistema ng pagbabayad dito. Bawal po yung cash. Hindi po tumatanggap ang company ng cash. Additionally, halimbawa po ng cryptocurrency, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, at saka yung ating sariling gawa, yung OPX token. Right? Now, ito naman po si Bitcoin. So, just a brief explanation ng history at saka yung halaga over the years ni Bitcoin. So, si Bitcoin po ang rank 1 at pinakaunang cryptocurrency digital asset sa buong mundo. Nag-umpisa po ito sa walang halaga. Just try to imagine, wala po siyang halaga noong the year 2009 up to 2010. And then, nag-umpisa din ito hanggang sa pinakamurang halaga, the value of 4.50 pesos or equivalent to 0.10 or 10 cents in US dollar bawat peraso ng Bitcoin sa taong 2010. At yung kanyang all-time high value nito ay 3.4 million or equivalent to 68,000 US dollars noong November 2021. That was 2 years ago. So, ang mabilis na pagtaas at pagbagsak ng value nito ay tinatawag pong volatility nature ng asset. Kapag marami ang bumibili at nag-hold ng matagal ng Bitcoin, ay tumataas din ang value nito. Pero kung marami at malaki naman ang nagbenta ng kanilang Bitcoin asset, ay bumabagsak naman ang value nito. So, ito pong ibig sabihin ng volatility. The month of January, the year 2024, si Bitcoin ay umabot po ng 2.4 million pesos. Ito po yung kanyang value recently. So, more or less, this can either go 2.4 or 2.5 or higher than that, and this can also decrease in value less than 2.4 million. Yung average value ni Bitcoin most recently ay naglalaro po sa 2.3 million pesos per Bitcoin. So yung pag-angat at pagbagsak ng value nito in just a matter of few hours or few days ay tinatawag po itong volatility nature of the asset. Once we say volatility, it means that the value is fragile. Pag sinasabing fragile, madaling mabasag yung value niya na aangat at madaling mabasag yung value niya na babagsak. You can either be an overnight millionaire or you can also be considered as an overnight bankrupt, talo. Because pag mali po yung mga critical decision making mo when it comes to selling your asset, malaki pong major factor po yan that we need to consider na pwede po kayong matalo or malugi pag mali po yung decision making mo sa part ng selling your asset. So, mayroon pong timing na tinatawag when it comes to selling your asset. Susubukan naman natin ikumpara si Bitcoin at ang OPX tokens natin. Si Bitcoin, value to year 2010, 4.50 pesos or 10 centavos, 10 cents in US dollar. The value, the year 2024, the month of January is already 2.4 million pesos, more or less. Si OPX token naman, so we have our very own native cryptocurrency. So, we created and developed our cryptocurrency, OPX token. The current value is the year 2023 is 2 pesos and our goal is to reach 1 US dollar in the year 2025. So we already have less than 2 years. Okay, less than 2 years para maabot natin yung goal na 1 US dollar the year 2025. However, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Pag in between achieving, materializing this goal without a plan is only a wish. And wishing something is not something bad. But it will only become bad if that wish is not acted upon. Hindi po tinatrabaho, hindi po ginagawaan ng paraan, or hindi po pinagplano yung dapat mong trabahuin na pangarap or wish, it will only become a dream. Okay? Or a wish. So, sabi nga dito, if you fail to plan, you also plan to fail. So, kailangan po natin ng effective and careful planning para po natin ma-achieve ang goal at maabot ang up to 1 US dollar per OPX token in the year 2025. So, any successful business always comes with an effective and careful planning. So, introducing the ultimate and the most generous compensation plan of OPX. So, presenting the 3 C's of OPX Social Network Business Plan. So, this is divided into 3 phases or 3 parts. First, of course, to create the OPX token supply. Second is to create the OPX token demand, which is the ecosystem. And the third, but the final phase would be to create the OPX token official value. So we have planned our business carefully and now we are going to work out our plan. So first phase of our plan is to create the OPX token. So hindi tayo pwedeng mag-skip o mag-bypass ng phase. So step by step, line upon line, alright? So we have successfully minted or created OPX tokens with a maximum supply of 1 billion. 1 billion po yung maximum supply ni OPX token. So mayroon po itong official name na OnPal Express as a token. Yung symbol niya is OPX. The network of the crypto is ERC20 under the Polygon network. In other words, this is an ERC20 utility token. This is not a security token. Magkaiba po yung tinatawag na security and utility token. Now, yung contract address or also known as the CA or the unique identity of the OPX token is at the bottom. Itong mahabang combination of several letters and numbers. So ito po yung kanyang unique identity also known as the contract address because the OPX token cannot be duplicated. Hindi po yan pwedeng ma-duplicate because of the contract address. Ang contract address is a unique identity. Pag sinasabing unique identity, it only exists 1 in every trillion. Wala po siyang katulad. It is unique. We come now to the second phase is to create the OPX token ecosystem, which is to create systems and programs that will create a high demand for our OPX tokens that will serve as our ecosystem. So this is the part where mahaba po yung proseso. Since meron tayong tatlong phase, first, second, and third, nasa pangalawang phase po yung mahabang proseso para po natin ma-achieve yung third at saka yung final phase to create the OPX token value. So nandito sa second to third phase, yung transitioning at mahabang proseso. Mabilis lang po sa first phase. Please allow me to briefly explain how the universal law of economics works in the crypto space. So the law states, kung ang supply ng isang produkto ay mataas, pero ang demand nito sa merkado ay mababa, ang halaga nito ay mababa rin. Pero kung ang supply ng isang produkto ay mababa, pero ang demand niya sa merkado ay mataas, ang halaga nito ay mataas din. Katulad po ni Bitcoin, mayroon lang po itong 21 million maximum supply. In other words, mababa po yung kanyang supply. Si Bitcoin ay mayroon lang 21 million supply. Tayo, 1 billion lang, kaya po natin ma-achieve yung $1 na value in 2 to 3 years time, more or less. 3 years is matagal na po yan. So yung ating average na estimation and goal, because we are setting up a goal here. Goal natin is $1 in the year 2025. So kayang-kaya po natin ma-achieve yun. So now, ito po ang OPX systems and earning programs that are powered by the following cryptocurrency. So yung lahat po ng ating mga sistema at programa, 4 po na klase ng cryptocurrency na ginagamit natin. Officially, mayroon tayong sariling crypto na ginagamit yung ating OPX token. And then additionally, pwede po tayong gumamit ng USDT ng Polygon. Additionally, gumagamit naman po tayo ng Polygon Matic ng Polygon blockchain para po sa ating gas fee. Lahat po ng transaction sa loob ng company ay ginagamitan po ng tinatawag na Polygon Matic para mayroon po tayong pangbayad sa transaction fee. Pag sinabing gasoline fee or gas fee, transaction fee po yan. At din pang-apat, yung Polygon DAI. Alright? A stable coin katulad ni USDT. So 4 po yung ating ginagamit na klase ng crypto. So ano po yung kaibahan? Yung tatlo na ito, si USDT, Polygon Matic at saka si DAI coin ay mga highly liquid, good as cash na mga cryptocurrency. Si OPX token lamang dito, yung as of this moment, sa ngayon ay wala pa pong official value. Alright? Now, talakayin naman po natin yung mga OPX systems and programs. So we have the Subscribe and Earn program, our primary major as our digital product. So ito lang po yung ating digital product. So ito po yung ating nire-recommenda at binebenta sa lahat ng mga community members at saka sa public. Additionally, we have the Advertise to Earn secondary major program as our digital service. Pangatlo, we also have the View to Earn, the tertiary minor program of the company as our additional digital service. And the last but not the least, of course, the Stake to Earn quaternary minor program as our additional digital service also at the same time. So yung ating panglima na sistema at programa, yung ating customizable landing page, also known as our automated tool for marketing, na hindi po ito isang earning program. Ito lang po ay isang marketing tools na pwede po natin magamit para mas mapagaan po yung ating pag-market, pag-promote, pag-advertise ng ating negosyo sa online, either sa Facebook or sa TikTok. Allow me to introduce to you our Subscribe and Earn program, yung ating subscription marketing primary major program of the company. So yung ating network marketing system ay nakabase po sa subscription marketing. Ibig sabihin ng subscription marketing ay isa pong membership marketing program na katulad po ni Netflix or HBO. Na bago po kayo makapanood ng mga movies sa Netflix, kailangan mong mag-subscribe. Dito sa OPX, para ka makareceive ng mas mataas, mas magandang rewards, perks and benefits, ay pwede po kayo makapag-subscribe para mas ma-enjoy nyo po yung kagandahan at mas mataas po na benepisyo. Alright? So yun po yung full mechanics, bakit subscription marketing system po siya. Alright? So ito po yung ating first na opportunity to leverage, allowing the people you build as a network to work for you as a passive income.
Intrigued by the potential of membership marketing revolutionizing your network business? Membership marketing, fundamentally, is a strategy designed to lure and retain customers by offering them valuable benefits in return for their loyalty. It's an influential tool in network marketing, where building relationships and customer retention are key. Picture a consistent stream of recurring revenue, a dedicated customer base eager to engage with your brand, and a solid trust foundation. Beyond the financial gains, it's about fostering a community, a network of individuals who believe in your brand and are eager to be part of it. Enter the world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Imagine a transparent, secure, and decentralized digital ledger. That's blockchain for you. Pair this with cryptocurrency, a digital currency that uses cryptography for security. It enhances security in network marketing, accelerates transactions, and offers global accessibility. Welcome to OnPal Express, a revolutionary platform that seamlessly integrates membership marketing with the robustness of blockchain technology and the versatility of cryptocurrency. It's user-friendly, efficient for networking business, and ensures secure transactions. OnPal Express extends its reach globally, allowing you to expand your networking business beyond borders. It's designed for ease of use, making it accessible to both seasoned network marketers and newcomers. It's not just a platform, it's the future of your networking business. Why wait? Join OnPal Express today and elevate your networking business to a whole new level.
Okay, so kung ikaw po ang isang tao na kulang sa pera sa buhay, you are paralyzed. Isang tao na hindi po makagalaw dahil sa kulang o walang pera para makabili po ng mga needs o pangkapital sa isang negosyo. So we all can relate much. Masakit na katotohanan pero of course, reality bites. Huwag masyadong mag-alala dahil sa OPX, we got you covered. With OPX Network, pwede ka pa rin makagalaw sa negosyo kahit wala kang pera pang kapital sa pag-umpisa mo sa negosyo natin. Dahil free po ang ating registration o pag-sign up. Yes, tama po ang iyong narinig na wala pong bayad dito kay OnPal Express Network para kumita ka ng extra income sa online. Magkakaroon po kayo ng sarili mong affiliate account with free of charge para magamit ang ating OPX online dashboard, systems at mga earning program. How to earn online as an affiliate user of OPX Network? Simple lang ang dapat o pwede mong gawin para ka kumita ng extra sa online kay OPX. Share the online business opportunity sa inyong mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak at imbitahan mo sila na dumalo sa ating Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. online business opportunity Zoom meeting. Gawin mo lang ang lahat o pwede mong gawin para sila po ay dumalo sa ating daily Zoom meeting dahil mayroon po tayong weekly airdrops giveaways event sa lahat ng mga OPX members. Ang mechanics ng event ay very simple lang. Mag-invite ka lang ng bawat new ng tao, a friend or a relative. At bawat new invite na dumalo sa ating daily Zoom meeting ay makakatanggap po ng 50 OPX tokens per inviter at 50 OPX tokens sa invitee. So, maghahati na po sila sa 100 OPX tokens. Because in the previous month and the previous year, 100 OPX tokens yung ating binibigay exclusively only sa inviter. But this time around, that this is our major update and changes for the year 2024 and this few weeks prior to the official value because take note and for your information, this limited time airdrops weekly event is only good until we release the official value of the OPX token. So, pag mayroon na pong official value si OPX token starting at 2 pesos or more or higher, wala na pong weekly airdrop events. Magkakaroon na po tayo ng panibagong event related pa rin sa ating business pero hindi na po siya airdrops kasi pag sinasabing airdrops, it is a giveaway. Pinamimigay po under the condition that you will contribute, participate something back to the company. Hindi po yung tipo, kasi just try to imagine, if you invite a friend, may 50 OPX token ka as the inviter and the invitee, the friend that you have invited, ay meron din 50 OPX token. How much is that? 50 OPX token times 2 pesos, that is 100 pesos. The same is true kay invitee. So, ibig sabihin, may 100 pesos ka na, may 100 pesos din siya. In other words, kung gusto mong tulungan yung isang tao na walang pang-capital, gusto niya kaagad magka-OPX token, hindi pa po siya nag-i-invite, nag-join pa lang po siya, nag-attend pa lang po siya. For the first time, dapat unang meeting niya, dapat it should be his or her first attendance and participation sa ating Zoom meeting. Hindi na po qualified yung pangalawa at saka pangatlo. Very simple lang naman yung mechanics. You sign up, your friend, wala pong bayad yung ating affiliate registration and signing up, and then you invite your friend, and then you earn OPX tokens. So it's very straightforward. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So wala na po tayong, in the meantime, wala muna tayong this week or the coming weeks, depende po, wala po muna tayong pa-Gcash. The company has the rights to change the rules, alright? So additionally, ikaw po isang bilang inviter, sponsor, referrer at advisor ni OPX Network, ang inyong main objective ay makapagbigay ng advice sa mga kaibigan at kamag-anak mo na na-invite mo na dito. So dapat yung mga invites mo, i-follow up mo sila the second time, the third time, the fourth time until they say no. You should only stop once they say no. Habang hindi po sila nakapagdesisyon at walang sinasabing no, ituloy mo lang, i-follow up mo lang sila. Ang gawin mo ay wala po kayong ibebenta sa inyong mga friends and relatives dito. Kasi hindi po gusto ng mga tao na mini-message po natin sila sa social media, particularly sa Facebook, at ini-invite natin tapos bibintahan ng produkto. That is somehow, you will be prone to rejection. Masusunog po kayo at you will be rejected majority of the time. It's been proven and tested. So, what you can do is we only highly recommend na magbilang advisor po kayo ni OPX na sila ay mai-recommend mo na mag-subscribe kay OPX Network. Kapag mag-recommend ka lang sa kanila na mag-subscribe sila, hindi mo sila binibintahan. Because the word recommendation is much better than selling. Right? Ganun po yun. So, yung ating subscription plans na i-recommenda mo is of course totally optional lamang po yan. Kung sakaling magustuhan po nila, huwag po natin silang pilitin. So, dagdag pa rito, dalawa po ang klase ng ating subscription plans na pwede mong ma-recommend sa mga kaibigan at kamag-anak mo. Una, yung affordable na verified 3-month subscription plan na nagkakahalaga po ito ng $50 or to 2,800 pesos. Pangalawa, we have the premium plan na VIP 24 months subscription plan na nagkakahalaga po ito ng $500 or 29,000 pesos. So, tatalakayin po natin ang mga subscription plans na ito sa susunod na mga slides. So, do not worry. So, karagdagang disclaimer lang po na ang ating subscription plans na ito ay totally optional lamang at hindi po ito sapilitan sa pag-subscribe. So, additionally, ang mga sponsors, referrers, or advisors ni OPX Network ay pwede na po makapag-manually position ng inyong mga business partners na nag-subscribe ng verified OBIP plans para maiwasan na po ang hassle. Para iwas hassle na po sa parte ng mga bagong invites kung paano gawin ang technical na proseso sa pag-subscribe sa ating OPX Network. Ibig sabihin nito ay ipapadala mo na lang ang inyong bayad sa sponsor mo. Halimbawa, 2,800 pesos, ikaw yung sponsor, hingiin mo muna yung GCash, through GCash or either bank transfer. Just make sure to always payment first if you have extra OPX token. Kasi kung unahin mo mag-activate at pay later, baka mahirapan na po kayong maningil. Okay? Just a friendly reminder. What you need to ask from the invitee or your potential business partner ay yung kanyang trust wallet address para si sponsor na po ang bahala mag-activate ng manually ng subscription plan. So, halimbawa, ikaw yung sponsor, punta ka lang po dito sa Timbol yung pool, sa dashboard mo, sa left side, lalabas mo ito, ikaw ito, halimbawa, this is your name, at mayroon dalawa dyan, empty na slot. It's up to you kung ilagay mo dyan sa taas o sa baba, pindutin mo itong empty, may lalabas dyan na option, ilalagay mo na lang sa kanya yung kanyang wallet address. So, it's very easy to do not worry. Alright? At ngayon, ito naman ang kikitain ng bawat sponsor, advisor ni OPX Network. Kung ang kaibigan at kamag-anak mo ay nag-subscribe ng verified subscription plan, okay, halimbawa, you're an affiliate free account user or a verified subscriber of the company, at mayroon kang BFF1 at saka si BFF2. Sila po ay na-invite dito at nakatin sa Zoom at nagustuhan po nila yung ating business platform. At sila po ay nag-consider subscribing sa OPX Network at nagbayad po ng $50 or worth 2,800 pesos. Si BFF1, nagbayad ng $50, mayroon po tayong 50% on-pal bonus na makukuha dito. 50% of the $50 is $25 na mapupunta po sa inyo. This is you on the left side as the affiliate account member. Or you are a verified subscriber of the company. Alright? Halimbawa si BFF2, nagbayad din ng $50 for subscribing sa OPX Network. You will receive a 50% on-pal bonus and additional commission. $25 po yan mapupunta sa iyo as a verified subscriber of the company. Additionally, what if your BFF1 subscribe a VIP account? Nag-subscribe po siya ng VIP premium plan. Nagbayad po siya ng $500 worth of subscription plan. Unfortunately, mas mababa po yung makukuha mong on-pal bonus dito, which is 10% only. Because you are only an affiliate or verified account user. So 10% po siya pag affiliate or verified. The same is true sa BFF2. However, if you want a 50% system-wide, account-wide na on-pal bonus, you need your account to be promoted as VIP. Your account should be promoted or upgraded to VIP. Right? So, yung promotion natin is only that is for free. You will now be qualified to receive the 50% on-pal bonus. Halimbawa, si BFF1 nagbayad ng VIP subscription plan. 50% of the on-pal bonus is 250. Makukuha mo yan because you are already a VIP account holder. How to become a VIP? For free. Pag-usapan po natin yan in the next few slides. However, of course, if you have upgraded your account from free or verified, upgraded it to VIP, paying $500, mayroon na po kayong 50% on-pal bonus system-wide, account-wide. So si BFF2 na nagbayad ng $500, 250 po yung makukuha mong on-pal bonus. So para sa mas malaking bintahin ni OPX Network, isa pong ating express payout system. Dahil matatanggap po ninyo ang lahat ng kita nyo sa company sa wala pa pong 30 seconds. At diretso na po itong papasok sa Trust Wallet account sa smart devices nyo. Just try to imagine. Mayroon kang OPX token, mayroon kang USDT, mayroon kang DAI, mayroon kang Matic Coins. Pinutin mo lang yung claim earnings. Ito po yung ating official user interface sa ating OPX dashboard account sa bawat membro. Lahat po ng mga earning programs, earning systems, consolidated na po pumapasok dito sa isang dashboard na ito. Dito na po lahat. May total earnings. Makikita po ninyo. Pagka-claim mo ng earnings mo in less than 30 seconds, papasok po yan diretso sa Trust Wallet account mo. Pending is not a vocabulary of the company. Wala po tayong pending na mga transaction dito. Wala po tayong pending na mga payouts dito. Wala po tayong mga pending na payment system dito. I hope that makes sense. This is a very, very advantageous factor for the company and for you. You can withdraw and liquidate your asset immediately. Wala pong pending. Hindi po kayo, in other words, may ipit. Yung the words na ipit, hindi po yan nag-exist dito. Hindi po kayo may ipit kasi you only need to claim the earnings. Pindutin mo yan kung duda ka, sigurista ka. Every time may pumapasok dito ng 100 OPX token, mayroon dito pumapasok na $1. O, kahit basta numero may pumapasok dito, pindutin mo, claim earnings palagi. Para mo makuha yung kinikita mo. But take note, this is under a blockchain platform. Yung ating pag-claim ng earnings, mayroon po yung transaction fee. Yung transaction fee na yan, gas fee, tinatawag, napupunta po sa Polygon Network, hindi po sa company. Because nasa cryptocurrency po tayo. In other words, sa cryptocurrency, lahat po ng transaksyon, mayroong gas fee. At minsan, mayroong tinatawag na network or transaction fee. Pag sinasabing gas fee, transaction fee po yan, or network. Network fee is a transaction fee. Magkaiba po yung network fee at saka gas fee. Yung gas fee, palagi po yan mayroon. Magpadala ka ng asset, may gas fee po yan. Ikaw natatanggap, wala pong gas fee yan. One way lang po yung gas fee. Sa sender, siya po ang nagbabayad ng gas fee. Okay? I hope that makes sense kasi clarify lang po natin yan. So, isa rin sa mga pinakamagandang sistema ng OPX Network ay meron tayong promotion system bilang ladderized program para makaangat pataas sa rank sa ating mga affiliate at mga verified users hanggang sa VIP rank na walang nilalabas na kapital na pera. Kailangan lang natin na ma-qualify sa requirements at ito ay ang pagkakaroon lamang ng 10 na verified users bilang downline subscribers mo sa sarili mong network. Wala po itong deadline, basta't maabot lang natin ang kuta na 10 kahit gaano po ito katagal ng panahon. Kahit po kayo abutin ng 6 months or 1 year, pero mayroon na kayong 10 active na downline subscribers, your account will automatically be promoted to VIP. At mayroon pa kayong commission na $250. So let's try to make it plain and simple. Umpisa po tayo sa affiliate free accounts. Kahit wala po tayong nilalabas na kapital na pera, pwede na agad tayo kumita gamit sa sistema ng company. So galing sa affiliate free account, pwede ma-promote to verified and then verified to VIP. So halimbawa, si affiliate member, nag-invite ng 10 pero yung dalawa sa kanila nag-subscribe, automatically your account will be promoted to verified. So affiliate, promoted to verified. Dahil meron kayong successful 2 subscribers. Kikita kayo doon ng $50 at the same time, nakapag-save po kayo ng extra $50 dahil hindi po kayo nag-subscribe at nagbayad. Na-promote po yung account mo. And then additionally, nag-invite po kayo ng 20 na kaibigan o kamag-anak pero 8 sa kanila ay nag-subscribe. Ibig sabihin, 2 plus 8 ay 10. Mayroon na kayong 10 downline subscribers. Automatically, your account will be promoted from verified to VIP. At yung total accumulated mo na earnings, 10 pa lang yan, ay mayroon ka ng $250. Just try to imagine that. You can do this slowly but surely. A ladderized system, step-by-step process. Walang nilalabas ni pisong duling. So we will guide you, we will mentor you, we will educate you how to do the business properly so that you will become successful. You will only need to do this one time so that you can be able to build your own network. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years time, and we promise you, do this business with us in less than 2 years. And for sure, we guarantee you that. You will never regret it and you will continue to earn regularly, consistently, every month. Now, additionally, Kung sakaling gusto mong malaman yung ating original at saka naunang compensation plan, ito po yung ating existing and functioning pa rin dahil naka-uni-level system po yung ating subscription program up to the 10th level. Ibig sabihin nito, yung first level, 50%. Okay, di ba? Pansin natin kanina, every successful na subscriber, 50% yung kikitain mo. Pero sa second level, malaking tanong ngayon, magkano kikitain mo? Sa second level, 2% na lang po. Fortunately, pang 5 successful na subscriber ng inyong second level, mayroon kayong additional na 30% dyan. Yung second level mo, let's just say, yung first level mo, nagtrabaho at mayroon siyang napasubscribe. Pero 5 na po yung pumasok na napasubscribe ng first level mo. In other words, mayroon kayong 5 pang-5 downline subscribers sa second level, mayroon kang makukuwang 30%. Residual po yan. So, every 5th successful subscribers sa second level. Now, sa third level up to the 10th level naman, so third up to the 10th, 1% na lamang po. Okay, so flat rate na po yan, 1% from the third down to the 10th level. Now, the question is from the 11th downwards level, flush out na po yan. So, wala na po tayong makukuwang extra income dyan from the 11th downwards. I hope that is clear. So, para sa mas comprehensive guide at higher potential earnings sa ating social network, kung mayroon po tayong 100 up to 1,000 na direct downline subscribers or first level mo. So, mga first level mo lang po ito, hindi po ito second, third, or fourth level. So, this is only a rough estimate for your first level downline subscriber. Just try to imagine, mayroon po tayong libu-libong network of friends and followers sa Facebook, TikTok. Kahit sa 500 downline subscribers lang ito in less than 2 years or 3 years na i-build mo o tatrabahuin mo, malaking bagay na po ito, pwedeng kitain mo amounting to 200,000 plus kung mayroon po kayong 500. So just do the math. So you can have this as your guideline. So it can either be more or less. So tandaan po natin na ito po ay isang stable life long-term na 3 months cash flow dahil mayroon po itong tinatawag na repeat purchase. Kaya nga po tinatawag siyang subscription system. Because once you subscribe, after a short period of time, it will expire and you need to resubscribe, you need to pay again. Therefore, there is a repeat purchase so that you can continue to enjoy using that system. Just like si Netflix. If you are paying monthly, and after 1 month, mag-expire yun, at pag hindi ka nag-renew ng subscription plan mo, the next month, after 30 days, hindi ka na po makakapanood ng Netflix movies. The same is true sa ating OPX network. If you subscribe 3 months, and after 3 months, you did not renew your subscription plan, after 3 months, unfortunately, your account will be downgraded from verified back to the affiliate free account. But do not worry, you can resubscribe anytime. Okay? You can resubscribe anytime after few days, few weeks, or a month. That entirely depends upon you if you want to go on a short vacation or hiatus. So, it's up to you. So, ito po ang ating magiging OPX business empire na dapat i-build natin over time. So what are the additional benefits as the subscriber of the company?
Unlock the perks with OnPal Express, a platform that offers versatile and rewarding experiences through Stake to Earn, Advertise to Earn, and View Advertising to Earn. Stake to Earn opens doors to rewards by committing a certain amount of OPX tokens to the platform. In return, users receive benefits like additional tokens, discounts, and other incentives. It's a way to actively participate in the OnPal Express ecosystem, often associated with long-term crypto staking strategies. Advertise to Earn redefines the traditional advertising model. OnPal Express provides a platform to showcase products and services while giving users the opportunity to earn. Advertisers reach a broader audience and get back their full advertising spending, plus a passive income bonus, creating a symbiotic relationship. View Advertising to Earn encourages user participation in ad content. Users are incentivized to view ads and earn rewards, creating a more interactive and mutually beneficial advertising experience. OnPal Express offers various ways for users to engage, whether through financial commitment, advertising activities, or interacting with ads. This multifaceted approach enriches the user experience and establishes a dynamic ecosystem where users choose the path that suits their preferences and goals. With OnPal Express, the power to earn is in your hands.
Alright, so when you pay for your subscription plan, you only gain or avail higher and much better perks, benefits, and rewards. In other words, kung ikaw ay mag-decide mag-subscribe ng verified or VIP, hindi pa po yan guaranteed nakikita ka passive income. Fortunately, if you subscribe today a verified subscription plan or a VIP premium plan, you can take advantage of our view to earn system. You can just view our advertisements available sa ating advertising page and you can earn OPX tokens every few seconds. So, mayroon po itong additional na steps that you need to do in your end right after subscribing so that you will earn. Hindi po yan guaranteed na nag-subscribe ka na, kikita ka na online passive income. Hindi po ganon. You subscribe, yung income mo is active. You need to view so that you can earn. Viewing is an active way that you must do so that you will be incentivized or you will be rewarded in return. So hindi po yan passive because you are viewing. That is active. Alright? Now, ang ating mga affiliate account holders ay mga non-subscribers ng OPX network. Okay? Yung ating mga affiliate account holders sa baba, they are non-subscribers of our OPX network. Ganyan pa man, sila po ay limitado sa galaw sa ating community dahil sila po ay kikita lamang sa subscription plan at earning programs ng company. Unfortunately, hindi po sila maka-avail sa ibang mga system at earning programs at mas mababa po yung kanilang bonuses and rewards extended to them. Pero kung ikaw naman ay nag-subscribe ng verified or VIP plan, ay mabubuksan mo lahat ng sistema at programa para ka makatanggap ng mas mataas na perks, benefits, and rewards. So ito po ang kumplitong detalye at impormasyon kung tayo ay mag-subscribe kay OPX Network. So dito sa baba, mapansin po natin, kung tayo ay isang affiliate account holder, 50% and 10% conditional po yung ating subscribe and earn. Pero sa advertise to earn, pwede ka maka-avail pero 120% lang po yung inyong bonus. Pero mabagal po ito. We do not recommend this to you na mag-advertise po kayo tapos wala po kayong mga invites, wala po kayong mga downline subscribers because matatagalan po maibalik yung inyong capital dito. Pero we still guarantee it na babalik yung capital mo. We promise you babalik yung capital mo, matagal nga lang dahil wala po kayong downline subscribers. Because yung ating advertise to earn ay magkonektado po sila para kumita ka ng malaki. And I will explain that one later in the presentation. So kung sakali nagustuhan mo na mag-subscribe ng verified subscription plan, ito na po yung maki-avail mong bonuses, rewards, or perks. Mas mataas po yan. And if ever gusto mo ng mas magandang subscription plan, yung ating premium plan na VIP rank, 50% na po itong no conditions na system-wide, and then 140% sa advertised to earn, mas yung pinakamataas na bonus, and then 200 po na capacity when viewing advertisements, and mas mataas po yung inyong opportunity to stake, to earn dito dahil wala po itong mga conditions sa pag-activate ng mga staking contracts or cards. So ito naman yung ating karagdagang benepisyo ng mga OPX subscribers para sa ating verified account holders. So mabibigyan po kayo ng 250 advertising credits kung ikaw po ay nag-subscribe. Additionally, kung ikaw po ay promoted from affiliate to verified, unfortunately, wala po kayong matatanggap na 250 advertising credits. I hope that is clear, okay? Just to be clear, if your account is promoted only, you will not receive advertising credits as a bonus. The advertising credits that you will receive is only applicable sa mga paying clients or subscriber na nag-upgrade ng kanilang accounts. Once we say upgrade, you pay. Once your account is promoted, your account is only moved one rank higher for free. So wala po kayong nilalabas na pera doon. So it is only an additional incentive that the company is extending to you. So additionally, crypto literacy and training programs, and then mayroon po kayong ma-avail na customizable landing page with Google Ads. This customizable landing page is exclusively available only for our subscriber members of our community. So additionally, we also have the VIP premium plan worth 500 USDT or US dollars. Ito po yung inyong additional benefits, 2,500 advertising credits. The same is true. If your account is only promoted, wala po kayong magkukuhang 2,500 advertising credits. If your account is upgraded, you have paid the subscription plan of the VIP, you will be receiving 2,500 advertising credits. And then additionally, my crypto literacy training programs, the same to all subscribers. And then, of course, the unique privilege that are given exclusively only to the VIP account holders, yung ating to all access, unlock to current and future OPX programs. Because sometime in the near future, we will be developing a system and earning program exclusively available to VIP account holders only. Last but not least, yung customizable landing page without Google Ads. So, what is the purpose or objective at the landing page or the customizable landing page of the company? So, the use advantage of the landing page of the company is to have an automated tool for marketing. Because as an online business and online entrepreneur nowadays, we do not have the proper tools to market. We will not become successful because no matter how effective the product is, you are not good in marketing, if you are not good in selling it, hindi ka magaling magbenta kahit maganda, epektibo yung produkto mo, hindi napapansin yung produkto mo sa online, mababa yung sales mo. Hindi tataas yung kita mo. Pero, kahit yung produkto mo hindi maganda, pero magaling ka sa marketing. Because mayroon kang maganda at epektibong marketing tools sa online, katulad po ng isang customizable landing page. Because a customizable landing page is one of the effective tools, the modern tools nowadays na ginagamit po ng mga online entrepreneurs, online business people like us. So this is a necessary tool that we must over time customize and develop, kasi hindi naman po ito in just one setting na pag-set up ay perfect na po yung ating landing page. As what the word states, customizable, meaning magkaiba-iba po yung ating landing page. You can customize it depending on your personal preference. Because the huge advantage of having automated tool for marketing is that we can generate automated, solid, and concrete leads. Leads are those people that are potential business partners in the company. Yung mga leads, ito po yung mga potential na mga sale mo, kita mo. So kagandahan nito is this is online, this is digital. Kahit mo, hayaan mo lang yan, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it will continue to be online as long as mayroong internet. Now, let's proceed to discussing our Advertise to Earn secondary major program, our first digital service of the company. So ito po ang ating second opportunity to leverage, allowing your money to work for you as your passive income. The first one, as we have discussed a while ago, yung ating subscribe and earn, yung po yung ating first leverage, allowing your people that you have built in your network to work for you as your passive income. So you allow your people to work for you. But this time around, it's not your people that is working for you, that is making money for you. It is your money that will now work for you. Because in the successful business community, those people that are now very successful, they have a lot of network. These people that serves as their network is working for them. Now, but why advertise to earn with OnPal Express? Because
Picture this, a platform where advertising your products and services not only expands your reach, but also earns you a monthly passive income. Welcome to OnPal Express, the game changer in the advertising industry. With a free affiliate account, you can earn an impressive 120% payback on your advertising spend. Up the ante with a verified user subscription, and that number climbs to 130%. But hold on to your hats, because it gets even better. Our VIP subscribers enjoy an exclusive 140% bonus, making your advertising efforts even more lucrative. OnPal Express is not just about advertising, it's about creating opportunities, empowering you to take control of your income. So why wait? Embrace the future of advertising with OnPal Express, where every ad is a step towards a more prosperous tomorrow.
So why digital and online advertising? Why advertise with us? Because simply, digital advertising is a lucrative business industry. Just look at YouTube, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Their main source of revenue is coming from advertising. These successful tech giant companies are disguising themselves as social media platforms. However, in reality, they are considered as digital advertising companies primarily. Kumikita po sila ng billion-billion every year from digital and online advertising alone. At sobrang lawak po yung market ng digital and online advertising sa internet. So there are a lot of rooms for us, for the company OnPal Express, to be in this industry. That is why we are following the successful steps, pathway, direction of these successful tech giant companies. Now, what is the difference between OnPal Express from these tech giant companies? Simply because OPX or OnPal Express as a digital and online advertising company is a community-based advertising platform. We are a community-based advertising platform because we are using cryptocurrency as a mode of payment. Cryptocurrency is a community-based asset. Once we say community, it is the people. Once we say the people, it is the community. In other words, if our advertising platform is a community-based business, therefore, our advertisers are simply and generally organic. Which means, mga totoo pong mga tao na nag-create or nag-produce po ng mga advertisements. On the other hand, si YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and any other tech giant companies, they are considered as algorithm-based advertising companies because they are using automated programs online to create and to produce advertising. Alright? So that is the main and the huge difference between these two. So what can we advertise para kumita tayo kay OPX Network? So you can advertise any legitimate products and services, kahit anong klase pa yan, basta ito po ay naayon sa ating community guidelines and standards. You are fully allowed to advertise and promote whatever it is. May it be a company, may it be a health food supplement product, a device, bags, etc. Right? So paano po makapag-advertise kay OPX at kumita rin ng kapalit nito?
OPX Ad Packs. Paano ka nga ba kikita? Ang ating OPX Ad Packs ay nahahati sa 5 kategorya ng distribusyon. 10% sa mga viewers, 10% sa uni-level, 40% sa team volume pool, 30% sa single line pool, at 10% lamang ang para sa OPX. Ito ay may kabuuang 100%. Ang platform na ito ay magbabalik ng 90% sa ating community, at ang natitirang 10% ay para sa liquidity, upang mapataas ang value ni OPX. Paano ang paraan ng pag-avail ng ating OPX Ad Packs? Una, kailangan nyo ng Trust Wallet account. Pangalawa, kailangan mo ng kahit ano sa mga sumusunod: OPX token, USDT, DAI, at Matic Coin, na kailangan din para sa gas fee. Pangatlo, pupwede ka nang bumili ng ating OPX Ad Packs at kumita. Ito ay mabibili sa halagang $10, $20, $50, at $100. Single Line Pool. Ang compla na ito ay para sa mga tao na kahit walang invite ay kikita pa din sila. Ito ang yung ad pack. 10% ang makukuha nung nasa pinakadulo ng linya o yung last na pumasok. Yung 10 sa taas ay makakatanggap ng tig 1%. At yung 10 naman sa baba ay makakatanggap din ng tig 1% hanggang mabuo mo ang yung ROC or Return of Capital. Team Volume Pool. Ang compla na ito ay makakapagbigay ng mas malaking kitaan sa mga tao na may mga invite. Sa TVP, kada bili ng ad packs ng mga invite mo ay may papasok na volume na mahahati sa 2 team o grupo. Mahahati ito sa Team A at Team B. Kapag nag-match ang mga volume na ito, 10% noon ay mapupunta sa iyong ROC o Return of Capital. Dahil dito, mas maaga ka makaka-exit, mas mabilis ang kitaan. Uni-level. Ang compla na ito ay para din sa may mga invite hanggang 3rd level upang magbigay ng additional na kita. Ikaw ito. Sa iyong direct invite ay may makukuha kang 5%. Sa 2nd level naman ay 3%. At sa 3rd level ay 2%. Ito ang bubuo ng iyong ROC o Return of Capital na makakatulong para mapabilis ang iyong pag-exit. Viewers. Ang compla naman na ito ay ginawang exclusive lamang para sa mga miyembro ng OnPal Express. Ito ay isang paraan upang kumita habang nanonood ka lamang ng mga advertisements, banners, videos at iba pa. Isa itong magandang paraan upang sumuporta sa ibang members sa kani-kanilang businesses o ibang platform at kumita habang ginagawa ito. Ang OnPal Express advertising platform ay magbibigay ng mga sumusunod na ROC o Return of Capital. 120% para sa mga newbie o free members. 130% para sa mga verified OPX members. At 140% naman para sa mga VIP OPX members. OnPal Express, transforming the landscape.
So sa ating advertise and earn system, ay ang OPX advertising services na binebenta natin sa community bilang advertising packages. Pero bago po natin mabili ang mga ad packs sa advertising, kailangan muna natin i-convert ang ating US dollar sa katumbas nitong cryptocurrency. So we have here $10 equivalent to 10 USDT and then 10 USDT equivalent to 270 OPX token. So we can use 10 USDT or 270 OPX token to buy $10 worth of advertising package. Yung matatanggap po natin is 50 advertising credits. Yung 50 advertising credits is equivalent to 100 views na po yan. 100 times a viewing na po yan. The same is true sa 20, 50, and 100. So tatlo po yung ating ginagamit na uri ng currency dito sa advertising platform natin. Yung ating fiat, cryptocurrency, and the advertising credits currency. So I hope that makes sense. So to make it very simple to understand how it fully works, yung buong flow of our advertise to earn, this is the simple flow chart. So halimbawa, mayroon kang seed capital, yung initial principal or seed capital mo sa advertising, worth $100 or 5,800 pesos. Bumili po kayo ng 100 OPX ad pack. $100 worth of OPX advertising package. Yung matatanggap nyo po is 500 advertising credits. This is equivalent to 1,000 views sa ating advertising page. Once yung inyong advertisement mo is viewed 1,000 times, posted na po siya, viewed 1,000 times online, considered na po siyang OPX services delivered. Complete na po yung accountability and obligation ng company to you because yun po yung pinag-usapan. You purchase the advertising services and we deliver it. And fortunately, since that this is an advertise to earn program, sa baba, okay, yung secondary na benefit mo is yung you will be able to receive your return of capital or the bonus, which is if you are an affiliate account holder, a free account user, yung $100 mo will return to you as 120. Kung ikaw ay subscriber ng verified, 130 po yan. Kung tayo naman po ay isang VIP account holder, your 100 will return to you as $140. So this will now be considered as bonuses received. A win-win situation for the advertiser dahil nakapag-advertise ka na, kumita ka pa. Or kumita ka na, nakapag-advertise ka pa. And at the same time, kumbaga, a win-win scenario for both the company and the advertiser dahil both parties ay nag-give and take mutual relationship po tayo dito. If ever you are curious kung paano po natin masustain, support, ang ma-justify ni OPX Network ang mataas na bonuses na binibigay natin sa mga advertisers, ang kasagutan po natin ay simple lang. 90% ng bawat advertising package na nabenta ng company ay nilalaan po natin na karagdagang pondo para masustain natin ang mga bonuses na ito. Halimbawa, $100 na advertising package na binili mo. $10 niyan, ito yung complete na breakdown. Okay, $10 niyan ay mapupunta po sa view to earn. So sa $100 mo, $10 diyan ay ibabayad po natin sa manunood ng advertisement, yung mga viewers. Then additional $10 mapupunta sa Unilevel. $40 ay mapupunta sa team volume pool. $30 mapupunta sa single line pool. So pinaliwanag na po natin kanina ano po yung Unilevel, ano po yung team volume pool, at saka ano po yung single line pool. At uulitin ko lang po na yung Unilevel ay dependent po ito sa pag-build ng sarili mong network. Kapag wala kang downline subscribers kahit isa, wala po kayong Unilevel. Kung wala po kayong downline subscribers ni kahit isa, wala rin po kayong team volume pool. The same is true. Okay? So, dalawa po yan. Pag wala kayong downline subscribers, wala ka ng Unilevel, wala ka pang team volume pool. Pero dito sa single line pool, huwag mag-alala. Dahil kahit wala po kayong downline subscribers, so one tamad po tayo, but is still totally fine and accepted by the company, you will have the 30% opportunity to receive your return of capital. 30% po yung ating nilaan dito na pondo para bumalik sa'yo yung capital mo na 30% of your 100. $30 po, babalik po yan sa system. Right? And then, to make it 100, yung remaining 10% ay mapupunta na po sa OPX. And for your information, hindi po ito profit or revenue ng company. Dahil yung $10 na ito ay mapupunta lang po sa liquidity ng OPX token. Hindi po natin ito gagalawin. This is one way that we will be able to guarantee it na tataas po yung value ng OPX token over time. As long as mayroong nag-advertise. Kasi if you advertise, ibig sabihin you are buying the advertising package. If you are buying the advertising package, everybody in the community is buying advertising package, the company will always have 10% of every sale. At kapag mayroong 10% na every sale na pumapasok ng company, dinadagdag palagi natin yan sa liquidity ng OPX token. Kapag madagdagan yung liquidity ng OPX token, mayroon tayong palaging pondo. Over time, every day, every week, every month, palaging dumadagdag yung pondo ng OPX token. The value of the OPX token will increase. Yung trend niya palaging pataas, palaging green because marami pong nag-a-advertise. Kaya po, we are safe to assume and here na kaya po natin gawin ito na positibo at successful as long as majority of us here sa community ay mag-a-advertise. Right? So I hope that makes sense bakit kaya po natin to ma-justify, ma-sustain at ma-support yung kitaan at mapapaangat natin yung value ng OPX token because of the advertise to earn. This is, take note, one of the way that we can support and sustain yung liquidity. Mayroon pang mga several ways, several sources that we can get additional liquidity. Right now, this is the overall summary ng ating advertise to earn program. So from times 1 to times 10 na exit opportunity po. So if ever you are fortunate enough to have extra fund, you can allot or set aside an extra fund worth $1,000 as your revolving capital. Ito po yung revolving capital mo na every time it will exit, you will receive 1,400 assuming that you are a VIP account holder. 140% of the 1,000 is 1,400. Pag mag-exit niyan, you revolve again your capital. Ibalik mo yung 1,000, kunin mo yung 400. Pag mag-exit na naman yan, so $800 na yung kinita mo. Ibalik mo naman sa loob. Pag mag-exit na naman yan 3 times, yun ang kinita mo dyan. 1,200. Bigyan natin naman ng pansin kung ano po ang connection at pakinabang ng primary major program ni OPX, ang subscribe and earn, sa ating advertise to earn program. So it is very, very easy to understand. At the bottom, halimbawa, from 0 to 10 subscribing network, wala kang downline subscribers or 10 lang downline subscribers mo pero stagnant po sila or hindi po sila gumagalaw. Wala pong bumibili sa kanila ng advertising package pero ikaw, nag-attempt ka, nag-try kang bumili ng advertising package. Yung exit niyan ay very slow. Yung income mo ay very low. I hope that makes sense, ha? Bumili ka ng advertising package kasi gusto mo mag-advertise. Tapos, if you will receive your income, mabagal po yung balik ng return of capital or yung puhunan mo plus the bonuses dahil wala po kayong downline subscribers. Wala po kayong subscribing network. Ganun po ka-importante yung subscribe and earn. Kasi, halimbawa, nag-build po kayo ng 11 to 15 na subscribing network. Some of your downline subscribers are buying advertising packages. Mabilis na po yan, mayroon na po kayong average na income. How about, fortunately, in a fortunate case scenario, nag-build po kayo, mayroon na kayong 51 to 100 subscribing network. Majority of your downline subscribers are buying the advertising packages. Kikita ka na dito sa subscribe and earn. Tapos sa advertise to earn, you will earn on top of that additional income, passive income. Dito, active and passive income. Advertise to earn is passive income. The exit of your return of capital will be very fast and your income will be very high. Bakit? Kasi lahat po or majority of your downline subscribers are buying advertising packages. Pag exit ng inyong advertising package, bibili ka na naman ulit. Cycle lang yan. Repeat purchase lang yan. Paikot-ikot lang po yan. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang po yan. I-revolve mo yung capital mo. Every time mag-exit yan, mag-take profit ka, kunin mo yung profit mo, ibalik mo yung capital mo. Bakit? Kasi yung mga downline subscribers mo sa baba, they continue to buy advertising packages. Magka-accumulate po kayong tinatawag na volume. Kasi mayroon pong volume na ma-accumulate kapag nag-a-advertise po ang bawat isa. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Now, talakay naman po natin ng mabilis ang ating tertiary minor program na View to Earn system ni OPX because this is also highly connected sa ating advertise to earn program. Because kung marami po ang nag-a-advertise, marami din po yung mapapanood na mga advertisement sa ating advertising page. Right?
In the vast landscape of digital advertising, a beacon of innovation emerges, OnPal Express. It's not just another ad platform, but a revolutionary way to engage with advertisements. Picture this. You view ads and you get paid for it. Yes, you heard right. OnPal Express is flipping the script, transforming ad viewing from a passive experience into an active, rewarding engagement. Our advertisers want your attention, and they're willing to pay for it. Each ad you view puts money directly into your pocket. It's not a lottery, it's not a game of chance. It's a straightforward, rewarding system. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a tech geek, or a fashion aficionado, OnPal Express has ads tailored to your interests. So why not get paid while you discover new products and services? Join the revolution with OnPal Express. Turn your attention into currency, because your time is valuable, and we believe it should be treated as such. OnPal Express, view ads, earn money, it's that simple.
Okay, so sa ating view to earn system ay meron tayong tinatawag na RPV, so or revenue per view. At ang ibig sabihin nito ay babayaran po kayo ni OPX Network ng 1 cent or equivalent to 0.55 peso per view sa bawat advertisement sa loob ng ating advertising page. Sobrang bilis lang po itong gawin dahil 20 seconds lamang bawat advertisement by default at pwede po tayo makapanood ng up to 3 minutes or 180 seconds sa isang advertisement. At kikita po tayo ng almost 5 pesos per 3 minutes viewing lamang. So presenting the stake to earn quaternary minor system and program of the company, the stake to earn. So ang ibig sabihin nito, staking ay time depositing your asset for a period of time at you will receive higher rewards in return. In our case, you stake OPX tokens and in return, you will earn additional OPX tokens as a bonus for engaging the program. So ito po ang inyong third opportunity to leverage, allowing your money to work for you as your passive income. So ito po ay isang bonus na program na inihanda na sistema ng kitaan ni OPX Network na magbibigay po ng karagdagang earning opportunity po para sa ating mga active subscribers.
Cold open, no fluff. We delve right into the core of it, staking your OnPal Express tokens. Picture this, your tokens, not just sitting idle, but working for you, multiplying. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of OnPal Express Network, where your tokens grow while you sleep. OnPal Express Network offers an exclusive staking platform for our subscribers. Here, your OnPal Express tokens are not simply hoarded. They're put to work, earning you higher rewards and interests. It's like planting a seed and watching it sprout, only this seed sprouts digital gold. Stay subscribed, stay staking, and watch your digital wealth grow. On Pal Express Network, where your tokens take flight. Remember, your tokens aren't just tokens, they're your ticket to a prosperous digital future. On Pal Express, where we make your crypto work for you, loop in, stake out, and watch your wealth grow. And that's a wrap. Until next time, keep those tokens staking.
Okay, so the huge advantage of staking system ni OPX is that hindi po natin kailangan ng invite. This is for those people na doesn't want to bother anyone and doesn't like sharing the business opportunity and inviting anyone at all. So no inviting, rejection proof po ito, no direct selling, wala po kayong ibebenta, no monthly quota, no points to maintain, hassle-free, and 100% passive income po ito. Alright? So ito po yung ating stake to earn standard packages. So meron po itong 10 na staking contracts, 6 po sa standard, 4 naman po sa ating special packages. So ito po yung ating mga cards, staking contract cards. So the information are already available on display. So dalawa lang po yung ating kailangan dito na requirements, OPX token and the Matic coins as our fee, staking fee, and the transaction fee, yung gas fee. So yung ating gasoline fee, para matransact yung staking contract, and yung staking fee, ito po yung transaction fee. Ito po ay bayad nyo po para sa company. So may bayad po ito pag staking na po dito kay OPX Network. So you cannot stake for free. So may bayad po ito dahil yung ating OPX token, mayroon po yan value o kahalagaan. So hindi po pwedeng you can just stake for free and mayroong value si OPX token. So parang namimigay lang po tayo ng pera dito. So this time around, mayroon po itong staking fee na 15 Matic because mayroon pong value si OPX token. Kailangan nyo pong magbayad to activate this para hindi po ito ma-exploit at ma-abuso. I hope that makes sense. Right? So ito po yung mga staking contracts natin. Ito naman po yung ating tinatawag na actual user interface ng ating staking platform. As you can see, once you activate a staking contract, mayroon po itong user interface wherein ma-monitor po yung kanyang pag-grow in value or in quantity over time. Okay, so pag ito ay 25% growth rate or interest rate, since ito po ay 5,000 OPX tokens times 0.25, that is 1,250 na growth rate in 30 days time na contract. Therefore, yung total return nito is 6,250 OPX tokens after 30 days. So, you can claim and withdraw your earnings here once a day. Okay, once a day po, pwede kang mag-claim dito. So, one of the safe way. So, yung potential na 30 days income projection is amounting to 13,326 OPX tokens or equivalent to 26,000 per 30 days if mag-activate po kayo ng SIAM na staking contract. So, kailangan SIAM po yung inyong ma-activate na staking contract so that you can maximize the stake to earn system of the company. Alright? So, ito naman yung ating summative income breakdown ng OPX advertising business. Sa ating subscribe and earn, 47,000 pesos po yan. Sa ating advertise to earn, 91,000 pesos po yan. And then sa ating viewing ads to earn ay 36,000 pesos. And then sa ating stake to earn is 26,000 pesos. A total of 201,000 pesos na rough estimate of the income of every member if you will participate. So, this is just additional disclaimer na this is a diversified income opportunity na ang kitaan na ito ay possible makamit o hindi makamit depende po sa ating sipag at syaga sa pag-avail sa sistema at mga programa na ating na-workout sa OPX Network. I repeat, this is only a rough estimation of income in the company. However, bakit importante ang mga sistema at programa sa negosyo? Kasi ito pong ating vehicle o sasakyan na maghahatid po patungo sa kaginhawaan at tagumpay sa buhay financially. Sa madaling salita, kapag pinagsama-sama natin ang sipag, tiyaga at magandang sistema ng OPX Network ay maabot po natin ang kahit anong pangarap sa buhay financially. So, and finally, the phase 3 of our plan is to create the official value of our OPX token. So, how will the official value be created? So, there are 4 steps that we can do. First step would be to create the foundation for our OPX token. The foundation is the ecosystem of the company. The subscribe and earn, advertise to earn, viewing ads to earn, and the stake to earn are our foundation na mag-generate po ng revenue for the OPX network. Once makapag-generate po tayo ng revenue, we will be able to produce liquidity fund for our OPX token. At kapag mataas po yung ating liquidity fund, mataas din po yung ating potential value for the OPX token in the near future. So kapag tanggalin po natin ang pundasyon, what will happen to a structure? Whatever structure it is, if the foundation is weak, okay? lahat naman ng building structure, mayroong foundation yan. But if the foundation is weak, or if there are no foundation, eventually and definitely, the structure or the building will collapse. If the foundation is weak, the building or the structure in a short period of time will collapse. In other words, it will shut down or it will close down. It will be destroyed. That is why, dito sa OPX Network, we are very, very careful and prioritizing, developing, innovating, improving, creating more ecosystem. Because the more ecosystem, the more systems and earning programs, the foundation will become solid and concrete. Mas magiging mas magiging matibay ang pundasyon kapag marami pong sistema at programa na gumagana at successful. So I hope that makes sense.
Have you ever wondered how to earn money online in a simple and efficient way? The digital age has given rise to a myriad of online earning platforms, each promising the moon but often falling short. As we navigate this bustling marketplace, the pursuit for a reliable, user-friendly, and efficient platform becomes all the more pressing. A platform that values transparency, speed, and convenience. A platform that offers more than just promises, but actual results. Enter OnPal Express, a platform designed to revolutionize the way you earn online. What makes OnPal Express stand out in the crowded online earning space? Well, let's delve into the unique features that set this platform apart. For starters, OnPal Express offers free affiliate registration and an optional subscription system, which gives you the flexibility to choose the plan that suits you best. The platform's product movement is driven by digital advertising services, making it 100% digital and online. Say goodbye to the hassle of selling physical, tangible products. Now let's talk transactions. OnPal Express utilizes a cryptocurrency payment system, ensuring faster, more efficient, and secure transactions. This is the future of online earnings today, and perhaps one of the best features is the Express payout system. With OnPal Express, you can withdraw your earnings anytime, anywhere. No pending transactions, no minimum withdrawal limit, and no daily restrictions. With OnPal Express, earning online has never been this simple and efficient. But what's the real advantage of networking with OnPal Express? Let's delve into it. With OnPal Express, you can kiss those pesky monthly quotas goodbye. No auto shipping to worry about, no points monitoring to stress over. It's all about simplifying the process and taking the pressure off. What makes OnPal Express a game changer is its focus on being service-based. It's 100% digital and online. Yes, you heard it right. There are no physical and tangible products to sell. This means you can run your business from your living room, a beach in Bali, or a cafe in Paris. The world is your office. But that's not all. OnPal Express is pioneering the advertise-to-earn revolution. It's a novel approach that's shaking up the industry, and you have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this shift. OnPal Express, a future-proof business with a competitive edge. It's the smart choice for those who value convenience, transparency, and lucrative payouts. Ready to dive into the world of online earnings? With OnPal Express, take the first step towards a future of efficient online earning. Remember, registration is completely free. Leverage the power of our digital advertising services, enjoy the convenience of our cryptocurrency payment system, and rejoice in the freedom of no monthly quotas. With OnPal Express, your wealth and health are our priority. We are global, we are simple, and we are future-proof. Start your journey towards efficient online earning. Register for free on OnPal Express today.
Join us for free, or you may opt to subscribe, advertise, and stay with us. Let your money work for you.